Hello, this is Eric with Consolidated Water Solutions, and I would just like to take the time to walk through with you guys reinstalling reverse osmosis membranes today. Everybody's machine is a little different. This one happens to be a machine without snap rings on it, but the process is really the same. You want to remove the headers and head seals and end caps. These today were a little harder to get out than they normally are, but if you just take your time and follow the process of removing them, you will not have to replace as many things. So you want to take the end caps off, both sides of the machine. Remember to mark the way that your water flows. That will be important on the reinstallation of the filters. The head seal of the filter will be at the front of the machine. The head seal will go with the flow of the water. A lot of vessels are marked. This one has not been marked. Today I marked them because there is no arrows pointing on which way the inlet water has came in. Removing them may be a little easier or a little harder at times. You will often need something to push them out with, such as a long piece of PVC, or I have metal poles that you can disconnect in case you're in tight spots. If you have to flush out the inside of the vessels to get any kind of sediment or anything out of there, that would also help the removal of the membranes. Once you remove the membranes, you will want to make sure that you flush out the vessels and make sure that all the seals on the end caps are in proper working order. If not, replace them. So upon installing the new ones, you want to make sure that you get the seals in the right area, one at a time. Then you want to insert the membrane into the vessel, lube up the end seal so it does not get stuck while you're pushing the membrane in, because that will create problems installing the membrane. The sealant was any kind of water-soluble lubricant, preferably a food-grade one for safety. Then you want to install the interconnectors, which will be important that they are properly inserted all the way into the membrane to stop it from leaking. Until they bottom out, they have a stopping point which you will be able to feel as you push them in. Then you will want to grab another membrane, make sure that you properly lubricate the other end of the interconnector, slide it onto the end of the interconnector until it stops itself. And then you just repeat the process until the proper amount of membranes that go in your vessel are in it. while you're installing them, make sure that you check for the sediment, dirt. You don't want anything inhibiting the end caps or still being left in your vessel, because you have installed new clean membranes and you would like nothing to contaminate them. As you put them in, these ones in particular are not interconnecting. If you have interconnecting membranes, you will want to make sure that the O-ring between the two that lock together is in place. Again, this is Eric from Consolidated Water Solutions in Omaha, Nebraska. We have a wide selection of products for your industrial RO applications. If there's anything I can do for you, you can reach us at consolidatedh2o.com. If you have any questions, we'll be happy to help you through the process.